Hello and welcome. In this video I'll show you how you can perform a SIM unlock using the IMEI.info website for your iPhone 14. So all you have to do is to just first dial this number in your phone app and dial it, and you will get your IMEI number. And now type in this number on the IMEI.info website and press check IMEI. You will get some basic info about your phone, and here in the advanced checks you'll find the Apple unlock, and this will take you to the sim.unlock.net website, and you'll just have to press unlock iPhone 14 and go through the process, and this will be taken care. So if you enjoyed this video and consider it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.